3 weeks after TVJ News exclusively interviewed one of the survivors of Hurricane Melissa, Nicola Gowdy, in Black River in St. Elizabeth, she touched the hearts of many Jamaicans. Now, Kelisha Williams revisited the community on Tuesday, and this time there were both tears of joy and sorrow.
I'm back in St. Elizabeth for the first time in 3 weeks. The last time I was here, I spoke with Miss Nicola Gowdy. Many of you would remember her. She lost everything, and I spoke to her, and she was detailing just what happened, and she was moved to tears, actually. Now, today is her birthday, and I thought it would be fitting to visit her to do a follow-up today, and we also brought a cake, you know, just something to uplift her spirit. She doesn't know we're coming today, so it's a little surprise for her. So come with us. Miss Gowdy is actually in the same spot that I left her 3 weeks ago. I'm about to go over there. I have the cake in my bag. She doesn't know what to expect, so I'm gonna go over there, present the cake to her, and just talk to her to see what has she been up to for the past 3 weeks. Let's go. Miss Gowdy, I never expect I would come see you in the same position. Do you remember me? Since the last time I talked to you, so many people have reached out. Some have come to visit you.
Yes, ma'am.
It's so nice seeing you. Oh my gosh.
Today is my birthday.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Today's a happy birthday to you.
Thank
Miss Gowdy, you know that I did not forget it's a birthday when you spoke to me.
Oh, gosh.
I remember in the interview you said today's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Gowdy.
Thank you.
Tears of joy and gratitude. This is what Miss Gowdy says is the culmination of support she has been receiving from Jamaicans since the first interview was aired.
I said to my husband and my son, say, I'm going to put on one clothes today no, and go sit down and see if anybody ever go look for me and give me anything for my birthday. And I was so glad that they really remember me and carry a cake come and give me. I feel so special today.
Many people have brought her food, and at least 2 charities have promised to help her rebuild her home. But
they say they're going to come back and stuff, and they take pictures and stuff, but I don't know, because I don't say I don't believe in you guys, but a lot of people fool me and stuff, so I don't know. You understand? Even I hear my phone ring and somebody said, I must reach out to them because they're going to help me. And when I see that, that is very rude, miss. They want to show me their body parts and telling me that I must open my legs.
she's hoping to rebuild at the same spot, a plot of land she inherited from her grandparents. For now, they still seek shelter at night in an abandoned building.
It's not my house, and still for me, I want to say, oh, when the man might want a house or something, or a woman, I don't know. Anybody would want their house, where are going to go?
While they await help, the family has been trying to retrieve whatever board they can to at least rebuild a shed to store whatever they salvaged from the flood. But it's been a challenge. Her husband is a fisherman, and Miss Gowdy usually sells fish for a living. But their operation has been at a standstill since the hurricane.
Sometimes I feel like we are around women, don't know women around with.
As for why she has not moved to an official shelter,
Even if I go somewhere, it's going to hand me. Because I'm not going to stay there and I'm going to fret a lot, miss. I tell you the truth. Maybe even the fretting would kill me before the time.
still the family remains strong. They are grateful to those who have given with a willing heart and those who did not have much to give.
I love you guys, and I didn't know that so many people love me. Because right now, I tell you the truth, when the storm just passed, I feel like to give up on life. And when I see so many people come from all over and said, Miss Gowdy, I saw your video. And I saw when the news reporter read and see and stuff. And when I look into it, I say, God, thank God you didn't take me. You give me one more chance.
Persons wishing to assist can make donations to Miss Gowdy's son's account or contact the family via phone.
Happy birthday
Kelisha Williams, TVJ
to
News.
you.